Excuse me, you have a cigarette?
No, I'm sorry.
Oh my God, I need a cigarette. Oh my God.
Got them hitters in minivan. Top of his speaking, no ceiling fan. Get your business done, I ball like a skeleton. Call up the plug and I told up the melody.
Hey, I don't mean to bother you, but do you have any candy? My sugar getting low.
Fuck niggas listen to DOA. I need to tell like it's BOA. I got to feel like it's Frito-Lay. So much cheese, have a Dorito right.
I know I've been gone, but I'm back. Hold on. Mic'd up, Trey in the building. You know how that goes. We finna get into something today. Just wait on. Gotta go pick somebody up. We gonna get straight to it. I woke up, I was like, damn, I don't even care today. Damn. I think that's Blizzy Bye. Walking that car with a cold heart. I did a dash in a Rolls Royce.
But listen though, see 12 out here. Nah, I can't fuck with 12.
We at Raising Cane's, right? And we're gonna do a muka bang sauce. We're gonna probably do that because I think it's called a mukbang. Yeah, that's what it's called.
You're out here, you're having a rough day, you say you're hungry and all that. Just get you a box of Raising Cane's.
Whoa.
You can get the 3-piece combo, use your meal bucks, or you can get the chicken sandwich combo, use your meal bucks. Whatever you want to do, you gotta get it spiked up with that lemonade.
Lord, I come to you today to bless this food we have today. Please bless the hands that prepared this food today.
Yes, sir.
And shout out Blizzy Bye.
Hallelujah.
I pray we both make it, you know. Amen. That's all right. So let's get to it. Never seen it like this. I ain't never seen it like this. This thing is so elegant.
Beef fries with basic
Basic fries. You need a little seasoning. Hold on. What you tasting first? Oh, you already tasted that? Let me see. Before you get your answer. Hold on.
You can tell it's real chicken. And on down McDonald's.
It's not an E, but it's
and it has an E immaculate.
Yeah, it's not immaculate. It's E, but it's not capital E. Capital E is immaculate. Lowercase E is elegance. It's elegance. It's lowercase E.
It's weird.
Hold on. Have you tried with the sauce though?
That's the thing, I haven't tried it with the sauce, so.
What's the name of this sauce?
Cane sauce.
Cane sauce. Cane sauce, hold on.
I'm raising canes, no ECU cap.
Hold on now. Cane sauce, hold on.
But if I get 3 fingers, how you expect me to dap it? See, I got the 3-piece combo. Oh, you ate with the sauce already? Hey. I swear to God.
Hey.
This sauce goes crazy, I ain't gonna hold you. The thing is, with ECU, what's in is so fucking dead. Don't call me ECU. What's in dead is dead.
Y'all wanna know how dead West End is? Watch this next clip. It's the second time we came on camp, right? And this shit dry. This shit dry as fuck. Nobody out this bitch. What you gotta say about this?
I know the first time it was pointing me, I said, this shit just I gotta try.
What about this though?
Toast? That's a good question. You get right to it.
Toast with sauce or without sauce?
That tastes like sauce. You taste the butter off rip.
Oh my god. This ain't for real. This is capital.
I don't get no sauce with this, didn't I? I don't get the sauce anyway.
Try with the sauce. They gave it a little flavor, but honestly,
you don't need the sauce.
I don't need the sauce for it. Get the sauce for the. I'm giving Raising Cane's 10 out of 10.
I swear to y'all, This shit was worth the wait. We stayed in line for like 30 minutes, I swear to God.
No, this shit gotta be gas. Look at the line. Let me show y'all the line. The line goes stupid. Look. That's Raising Kings, right? Line all the way back there, cuz. So you know they gotta be doing something good in it. You win anything?
I just want a 32-ounce drink. You see what that say?
32 ounce?
Hell yeah, I need that.
How much is that?
How much is this?
You got an E.
This is... Oh shit.
You got an E.
Yo.
Yo, bro, can I ask you a question? So, like, I've been having little problems, and like, so I got a girlfriend, right? And she broke up with me. Is it good for your girl to break up with you because she said my ass not fat? Don't you think that's dumb, right? Thank you. That's all I wanted to know. Now I'm gonna go down and fuck her friend. I don't even give a fuck.
Fuck nigga, this in this BOA. I need a tail like it's BOA. I got some chill like it's Frito-Lay. So much cheese, let's have a Dorito race. I just brought so many guns through the TSA. Don't tell me sucker, you open your briefcase.